Yeah. So go on the stage. Go on the stage.
All right. I think by this time, almost everything has been said by one's friend. Lot of good words. I don't have much, but there are few secrets which, as a parent, we know, right? We both know. So we'll be sharing that. But before I do that, I would like to thank everyone for joining us today evening, and it's been an honor. And I really appreciate that because today my parents are with me and all my friends. And there are certain friends, I told them personally, I'm meeting them, now we live in Arcadia after a long time and really cherish always meeting them, talking to them. But thanks for joining us. So, Deepti and I would be sharing certain memories about Vansh. Why don't you start with that, Deepti?
Yeah, thank you everyone for being a part of this celebration for Vansh graduation. And please, Vansh has a, yeah. So, can you hear me? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you all for joining the celebration and giving blessings to Vansh. So, let me share, like, it's before like 18, 19 years back when we were in the United States. And unfortunately, fortunately or unfortunately, we have to go back to India. So what happened, I was 4 months pregnant and I asked my doctor, can you reveal the gender so that I can get some clothes from here?
Aww.
So I don't know whether I'll be back or not. So, but doctor said, no, it's too early, I can't say. And you all know that in India, gender reveal is not a legal process. Yeah, it's a surprise for you after 9 months. So, but somehow.
Why don't you share a mic, share one mic.
Yeah, you can take one mic.
Okay, so somehow me and Vishal have very strong feeling that we will have soon a baby boy. So I don't know why, but we have very strong feeling. So I got some clothes from here and took them to India so that my baby will wear them. So, so that's one thing. And another thing, like I want to share with you all about his name, how he got his name. So in India, it's not necessarily the day when your baby born, you have to give the name. You can take your time to decide the name. You can change multiple names. So what happened? So we kept his name as Viraj. So my father name is Raj Kumar. So when V is silent, it sounds like Raj. So one day Vansh Chachu came home and he was calling like Viraj, and I was like, who is calling my dad's name? Raj? So I said, no, I don't want this name. So then I kept his name as Arnav. So the photographer has his name as Arnav. Then what happened, I told my father, I changed his name and his name is Arnav. Then my dad said, Anwar? I said, no, I'm not comfortable with this name. Then I have to change his name again. So then the day comes when he approaches me, okay Deepti, we have to finalize his name because we have to apply his passport. Okay, now. So somehow I told you, like, we were very sure, like, we will have a baby boy. So I have a list of names of boys. So then I was watching one serial that time and the guy name is Vansh. So his dad said,